have in front of me here a spare LNB holder for a universal satellite dish. Okay, so as you can see, basically it comes in two parts here, two plastic sides to it, and it's held with two screws, which we can see here and here, Phillips screws. So what I'm going to do at this point is I'm just going to quickly disassemble this here and here. Just take it apart. And we'll see the two parts here like this, okay? So what are the key dimensions on it? Well, the first thing here is, what size of the LNB neck does it suit? It suits a 40mm neck. So if we took a universal LNB like this, and if we put a vernier calipers on it and measured it, its external diameter here is 40mm, okay? That's the first thing. And then the other key dimension on it is, what diameter bar is it designed to clip onto? And it's a 25mm circular bar here, okay? So when would we use this? Well, a pretty good typical situation where you have your satellite dish set up, somebody kicks the football, smack, breaks the LNB holder. If you don't have access to buy one of these holders, you literally have to buy an entire brand new satellite dish. So that's obviously not a very attractive thing. Plus you have all the hassle of setting it back up and all the rest of it. The plastic that's in this, and in all LNB holders that I've ever seen, is generally quite brittle. So that's why this is a common enough problem and why we've added it on. Now, one of the complications you face in terms of this is that the amount of different type of LNB holders varies. The 40mm is pretty standard. The only LNB that I can think of offhand that doesn't have a 40mm neck would probably be the Sky. They have a 35mm neck, but they have a holder built in and their own exact system. They decided to make it non-standard for the sake of being non-standard. So virtually all LNBs will have a 40mm neck, but this part here can vary. 25mm, which is 1 inch, would say, is the most common diameter, but there's lots of other types that are sort of a square type and, you know, different type of things. So even though this is the most common one and it's the reason we stock it, there's lots and lots of universal dishes that this will not work on. Now what I'm going to just show here quickly is how to put this LNB into it maybe. Just show you how straightforward this process is. So you can just see here, I'm just going to get the screwdriver here, screw that on, and I'll just slide this forward like this. And I do the same with the screw here, and just screw it on, you hold it on, and then you just bolt it onto your existing satellite dish. So that's it anyway, an overview of the universal LNB holder.